Hello guys, I am back with another of my Roblox videos. So, Mythic Egg is here. Just joking. So today Adopt Me posted something very special that you all need to see, and if you have not seen it, I'm going to just show it to you, and I am going to release what is exactly the post about. Okay, so 1, 2, 3 and begin. Okay, so first things first, you can see the post over here, right over here. Okay, so the post is right over here, and what you need to do is no, nothing you need to do, not do anything. I will do anything. Okay, so now you can see Adopt Me posted, who is this creature? Exactly, this is not a creature. Yes, friend, this is not a creature. This is a post for live event. For live event, we all are going to prepare. Yes, friends. Now, if you see, this pet is very cute. So it can be two things: that Adopt Me has magnified the creature and it is showing very large, or second thing, Adopt Me has just given us such a large creature. No, and no. It's a live event because we don't have any kind of this strange forest in our Adopt Me. Nowhere. We have trees, we have everything, but we don't have this kind of a strange forest in our Adopt Me. And if there are strange kinds of a forest and there are strange kind of this creature, then it's exactly what I'm thinking. Mythic Egg will be right in center of this mythic event. And yes, friends, the countdown which they are keeping it very secret, it's not the countdown, it's the countdown to Mythic Egg event. Yes, friends, when the Aussie egg left, when the fossil egg came, now when the ocean egg will go, and the Mythic Egg will come, all this will complete with event. When ocean egg came, no event. When fossil egg came, there was an event. When Aussie Egg came, no event. Now when the Mythic Egg will came, now there will be an event, and this kind of a creature will hold the mythic pet. Mythic Egg. Yes, friends. So this is a mythic pet that they have released. So they have released two things in one post. Yes, friends. First, they have just given a hint for their coming up event, and second thing, they have given us a hint what kind of a creature is coming into Adopt Me. Yes, friends. So the green dragon, the phoenix, and now the Adopt Me just released one more pet. I'm not getting it. What pet they released? It was some kind of a sheep, kind of a something, mythic sheep. But yeah. So we have 3 pets confirmed, and now it's the 4th pet confirmed. Like this, let me tell you, this kind of a creature will hold the Mythic Egg in its tentacles. Yes, friends, it's tentacles. Yes, friends, and its tentacle is having a big hole inside of it, and it will contain the Mythic Egg. Yes, friends. Now, when you will have the Mythic Egg in here, when the countdown there ends, then the ocean eggs will be replaced, and the mythic eggs will make their entry right into Adopt Me, and this creature will also come inside the Mythic Egg, and this creature which is inside the Mythic Egg is holding its new home, which is the Mythic Egg. Yes, friends, many of you are saying that it's a pet. Yes, friends, it's a pet, but it's also a Mythic Egg event, which most of you have not gotten. So I am telling you. And now, Mr. Kangaroo, what do you have to say? Okay, Kangaroo, I drop you. Okay, excuse me. Who the hell came into my house? Okay, now Kangaroo, you say. I think that the Mythic Egg event will be legendary. Okay, guys, so with Mr. Kangaroo and Mr. Agaram, let's see how many of you get this event and how many of you have prepared for the event. I will get more ocean eggs right now. Let me give you a certain update. I have 5 eggs. 1 second. Where Mr. Kangaroo came? That's a secret. Goodbye.